India's Finance Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, will introduce the fourth budget of the Modi government. The budget will be presented on February 1, 2022. The duration of the budget presentation might range from 90 to 120 minutes. The focus of this year's budget is expected to be on speeding up India's recovery from the pandemic shock, as well as strengthening the country's healthcare system to protect against future outbreaks. Sustaining India's fledgling economic recovery, tackling rising inflation, and creating jobs are some of the challenges and opportunities that Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will have to address through Union Budget 2022-23. Expectations among citizens are very high regarding this. So let's find out what we can expect for various sectors from this year's budget. What middle class can expect is various relief measures from the upcoming budget 2022, such as deductions for the expenditure of COVID treatment for persons who do not have health insurance. Common man can expect that the government may provide tax relief to the people who are paying for medical treatment of COVID-19 on their own. Optimized tax slabs for the salaried taxpayer is something that people can look forward to. It is suggested that increasing it from the current cap of 2 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees will provide huge benefits to the salaried taxpayer, and at the same time boost the real estate industry with increased housing demand. Further, adjusting tax slabs with the increase in other deductions can help the salaried taxpayer, especially to the below 50 lakh rupees per annum bracket, with more money in hand. The suggestion that is already in the circles for the government to consider is increasing the annual tax deduction limit for repayment of home loan principal under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act will be an ideal step forward, according to Financial Express. What taxpayers can expect is rebate or relief, as the slabs have not been rejigged for a few years for now. Slashing tax rates for both buyers and sellers, as it will rejuvenate the market as the demand for housing and high-end products are poised. Boosting direct disposable income to increase the expenditure and consumption. What the healthcare sector can expect is funds can be allocated for the development of resources that enable monitoring of the genomic-related health status of populations. More grants can be made available for genetic research. Increased support and incentive schemes can be provided to the Indian startups working in the healthcare domain. What the real estate sector can expect is hike in 2 lakh rupees rebate under Section 24 can be seen. Avail of cheaper credit facilities from financial institutions are also expected. GST waiver for under-construction properties. Incentives for private investment in the affordable housing sector. Easing of liquidity and short-term tax holidays. What the hospitality sector can expect is government can offer interest-free loans, subsidies, and reduction in tax structure. It can also permit the corporate bookings and MICE to come under IGST. Alcohol can be brought under the GST net. What the micro, small and medium enterprise (MSME) sector can expect is measures to improve the credit lending and accessibility of funds that can mobilize growth are the first to expect. Simplified taxation, investment, and offer further incentives to Indian startups. Streamlining approvals, compliance for ease of doing business, quicker adoption of technology, and automation by traditional retailers. Here's what India's crypto industry can expect from Union Budget 2022. Investors can expect introduction of crypto regulation that will bring in regulatory clarity, helping standardize best practices, focusing on identifying, monitoring, and managing risk. Progressive framework that can create enabling environment. What do you expect from Union Budget 2022? Let us know in comments. If you like this video, make sure you give a upvote and do hit the subscribe button.